It's Coach Pat back here again with another at-home fun adapted lesson. And today we're going to be working on some basketball skills from our chair. Today we're going to be working specifically on our shooting skills. So we're going to be doing 6 different drills, work on our shooting form and technique, and then we're going to be doing a fun activity. The activity is going to be transforming our ordinary recliner chair into one of my all-time favorite arcade games, the Quick Shot Basketball. So for materials today, all we're going to need is a ball of your choice. To make our quick shot basketball, we're going to need some large aluminum tin serving trays. Maybe you've got leftover from Thanksgiving or preparing for the holidays. Maybe we can borrow some. A roll of tape and a large plastic lid or a cardboard box that'd be flat would work as well. We're just going to use this as a ramp to help bring the ball back. All right, we'll start off with our drills and then we'll lead into the activity after that. So let's get going. All right, guys, so now we have our ball. Make sure that you choose a ball to your liking. I'm using a little bit of a smaller ball right now. If you have a larger ball and you feel comfortable with that, go ahead and work with that. But for this drill right now, really choose a ball of your size. So I like this ball right here. I feel like it's a good size for me. So let's get going. First thing we're going to do is just get used to the ball. Let's just pass it back and forth. Okay. Depending on what size ball you're working with today, maybe you're working with a ball about my size, maybe larger one, whatever you're working with. Just get used to it, pass it back and forth, working with our fingertips, and throw it up a few times. Really just start working around, get the feel of the ball between your hands. All right, so first thing we're going to do is with our strongest shooting hand, so we are going to be working both hands. Hate to break it to you. Best players can play with both hands. Okay. My dominant shooting arm is my left, so I'll start with my left hand first. Okay. We're going to do single hand shots up and down. Okay. So what I'm looking for here is elbow bent, ball on my fingertips. Okay, no guide hand right now. So if we need to switch to a smaller ball at this point, let's do it. Okay, because all of this drill is all about control. That's why I like using the smaller ball right now. In my fingertips, going to push up from my elbow and snap my wrist forward. So I get nice backspin, let the ball come down into my lap, catch it. We'll do it again. We're going to do 10 of those. So that'll start as my 1. So elbow bent, ball on our fingertips, push, fall through, ball down, and catch. Next one. Load it up, fall through, back down, catch it. 3. Okay, take your time. Make sure every time you're doing it, you're loading up right. Okay, relax your shoulder. Don't let it pop up too much. Okay, we're really working on our form. This will really help us in our free throws, okay, especially our jump shot. Last one. All right, so now we're going to switch over to our non-dominant hand. So I was just shooting with my left, so it's going to be in my right. Odds are you were shooting with your right, so now put it into your left. And like I said, it's important that we build both sides of our game. Being able to shoot, especially short range, with both hands, very vital part of the game. And the more that you have it, the more likely you're going to be able to play lots of minutes. So, right hand, I don't expect the form to be perfect, but that's why we're taking this slow, okay? Right hand now, same thing, elbow, ball on my fingertips, take your time, okay? Same thing, push up from your elbow, snap that wrist forward, release from your fingertips. Back down and catch. Let's do it for 10. Okay. Take your time with the balance. This one, if this is your not strong, this is your non-dominant hand. So take your time getting that balance and push right through the top of it. Those fingertips, bring it back down. Good job. Okay. Awesome. Great work. So now we're going to bring our guide hand back into it. So we could put the ball back into our dominant hand. We'll switch back to our strongest side. And now this time we're going to use our both hands simulating our jump shot. So we're going to do 10 in a row. From here, up, 1. 2. Our non-shooting hand is really just there to guide the ball. Okay, we're not pushing with both hands. Focusing right now of really just using that off hand as a guide. Load. Nine, 10. Good. So if you can, that last one, I worked my guide hand to barely even touching the ball. If you feel comfortable with that, build towards it. If you need to have your guide hand on the ball right now, that's fine. Try not to push too much with it. Really just have it there to just aid the process of your shot. All right, now let's switch over to our right hand. Our opposite hand now, so it should be in our non-dominant hand. Again, take your time with this. The form isn't supposed to be perfect right now. That's why we're working on it, okay? So let's load up. Off hand now, which should be your strong hand, is your guide. Non-dominant is shooting. Let's do it for 10. Same thing. Load, elbow, up, follow through. Good. 1, 2, 3. Follow through. 4. Bend that elbow. Elevate. Follow through. Really push back down so we get good backspin. All right. Excellent. Let's bring the ball back over to our dominant hand. What we're going to do next is we're going to do a 1 dribble, catch, shot. Catch, bring it back down, catch it, same thing. Catch, dribble, catch, shoot. Dribble, catch, shoot. Dribble, catch, shoot. Dribble, catch, shoot. So I want you dribbling on the same side as your shooting hand. So I'm shooting with my left hand, so I'm doing a left hand dribble, catch, shoot. and dribble, catch, shoot, catch, shoot, dribble, catch, shoot, catch, shoot. All right, now let's switch, other side. So let's go, we're gonna dribble right, shoot with our right. So opposite hand now. Use your non-dominant hand. So non-dominant dribble, non-dominant shot. Right? Let's go. So this is my right dribble, my right shot. If you're right-handed, you'll be doing your left-handed dribble, left-handed shot. Dribble, catch, shoot. Dribble, catch, shoot. Dribble, catch, shoot. Shoot. All right, get end on that one. All right. So that's just a few drills that we can get us going nice and warmed up. Next, we're going to get into our fun activity. All right, guys. So this next activity, like I said earlier, is inspired from one of my all-time favorite arcade games growing up as a kid. It was the quick shot basketball. A game where you've got the basketballs rolling out, you shoot it into the hoop, and you try to see how many baskets you can make within a minute. So because we can't go out and play these games right now, I was thinking that this would be a fun thing to do inside of our house with just whatever we have. So I'm going to show you how I transformed my recliner chair and an old basket, a ball of tape, and some aluminum pans, and transformed it into one of my all-time favorite games. Let's check it out. All right, guys. So essentially what we did is, using my recliner chair, I took my aluminum foil pins and I used that as my backboard and took a basket, cut the bottom out, taped it to the back of the chair, and supported it to the back of the pan. I'm using the plastic lid here as a ramp to kick the ball back out to me. I'll show you guys a little bit more detail on how we taped it up in the back and on the sides so you guys can do it at home. It's not perfect. It's not the best way to probably do this, but it's getting it done. So if you guys have any other ideas on how to do that, give it a shot and see if you guys have more success than I do. So, all right. So for this first round, I've got 3 different balls. Okay, I've got a squishier ball, which is a little bit heavier, a wiffle, and more of a smaller, thick ball. This is about as heavy as this. So this one's definitely the lightest. Okay, this first round I'm going to do only my left hand, so my dominant hand, one-hand shots. Okay, 30 seconds. I'm going to count how many baskets I make. Use my phone as a timer for my 30 seconds. Getting ready. There you go. Use the wrong hand. Wow! How could it happen? Oh, it goes in. And time. All right. All right. Next round. See how many we can get this time. Right hand. All right. Gonna start. Right hand only. 5, 3 seconds. 8. All right, I got 8 on that one. Next round, let's go. 2 hands, dominant hand. 2, 1. Now. Now. 2. Ah. 3, 4, 5. 3 seconds. 6. I got 6 on that one. All right, right hand. Next one. 2 hands. Oh no. Keep going. Right hand. Oh my goodness. All right, so as you guys can see, it wasn't a perfect setup, but I still think that if with a few little tweaks that maybe you guys could come up with, I think that this game could be a really fun thing to do this holiday season when we're not going to be able to get out and do as much. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for checking it out, and we'll see you around next time. Thanks for watching.